you are making a cash per hour rate of £80.40. And then it's also shown you there the time it takes of 4 minutes. Hey, Chris here. In this video, I'm going to take you through the Casino Hub part of OddsMonkey, and I really want this video to be something that will help more and more people get into the match betting casino offers. Because as I've said many times on the live streams here on the channel, I think it's a big shame when people get into the sports side of match betting but never do the casino offers, because they are a really, really good way to make profit. As it says in the thumbnail, I'm going to show you how you can make £500 or up to £500 from casino offers in your very first month. Before we get on the laptop though, and I'll show you through the Casino Hub side of OddsMonkey, I'll just quickly shout out the Profit Boss Match Betting Facebook group, which you can join at the link below if you're not yet signed up to it. But having said that, getting on the laptop then, we're here on the OddsMonkey dashboard, and as usual I'll just mention that I've left a couple of promo codes down below. If you've not yet got OddsMonkey, one will get you 12 days for £1, and the other one will get you 50% off your first month, so be sure to check those out if you're still not yet signed up to OddsMonkey. But here we simply just go to Casino Hub there in the top, so it's the third one along. You got tutorials, offers, and then Casino Hub. And in this video, I'm going to show you the new account offers, the reload offers there. We're going to take a look at the expected value calculator and how to use that, as well as then taking a look at the casino slots database, how to check that out, and we're going to look at the casino training guides, and finally go through the simulator, which is basically an advanced tool. It's kind of like the expected value calculator, but just more advanced there. So firstly then, if I just click on Casino Hub, that'll transport us here. And by the way, this Casino Hub is it's included in the OddsMonkey Premium membership. It's not like with other sites where you have to pay a load of extra money to get access to the risk-free and low-risk offers. I think it's a fantastic thing that OddsMonkey have done, because they've realized that most people won't be interested in the high-risk casino. They've left that to their sister site, Casino Monkey, which I believe from memory is £15 a month. But most people aren't going to want to do high risk, so I think the Casino Hub here included in your regular membership is just a really, really good way to get people into it. For those of you with a keen eye, you can see there on the side there it says offer value available, £231 from new account offers, £90 from reload offers, and then £4 from weekly clubs. Doing a bit of quick maths there, I promise I didn't use a calculator. That adds up to around £325 just straight off the bat there. And you notice that I said up to £500 in your first month on the thumbnail of this video. Well, that's because you'll make that estimated, expected 325. But then after that, many of the casino sites, after say your first week of being signed up, will just bombard you with so many reload offers. Actually, a lot more, I think, than what it says there, £90 of reload offers. You'll just get a consistent stream in your first month of just email after email with free spins, bonus money, because once a casino site knows that you've signed up, they want to keep trying to attract you by sending you these offers to get you to pick their site and use their site only. Of course, as a match bettor, we don't care about those emails and actually using their website. We just want to take advantage of the free money and keep doing that until they stop sending those free spins and free bonus money to us. But clicking onto the Casino New Account Offers tab first then, so I can take you through that. What you'll find here is a list. So it's a breakdown list of current offers, and you've got risk-free listed first. So you can see here, expected value for that top one, £3.65. Then you've got the second one there, £3.29. And no, they're not massive amounts of money, but they do start to add up. And some of these take literally like 5-10 minutes to do. So it's not like you're working for an hour to earn £3.65. It might be 10 minutes to make that £3.65 estimated, expected profit. And then all of these here, so we've got like that one there, up to 50 free spins, £2.35. Then there's another one up to 50 free spins, and it just says risk-free, so there's no expected value from it. But you could win like, £30, or you might just take nothing from it. But they're still very, very much worth doing, even when there's no expected value there. If we scroll down further from the risk-free, there is the low-risk side, of course, which is the next level up from that. And these have the potential there to make a lot more profit. You will find that you could do an offer, not make anything on it as usual. That's just the way casino works. You could do 10 offers in a row, not make a penny, but then the next 10 offers after that, you'll make a lot more. And at the end of the day, as long as you're doing these, so we've got £16 there, £24 there, 16 there. Where's another good one? 15, 21, £8, £7, £4. So you can see the list goes on there, and they build up quite nicely. And that's going to bring us to the bottom of that list there. Then on the next tab, if we click on Casino Reload Offers, I'll load that page up. If you recall, on the main Casino Hub page, it actually said there was £90 of reload offers, which I thought was very, very low. And here it actually says £283 of potential reload offers, which I think is much more accurate. So yeah, without a doubt, £500 in your first month of hitting casino offers is very, very achievable. And we can just, same again with the welcome offers. These are offers where you have already signed up to the casino, you're already using the account, and then you can just go ahead and target these reloads here. And I'll scroll down the list really quick because there's just so many of them. The only bit of advice, what I would really, really say you would need to focus on is, so if we find one here, so this Coral one here, free entry into daily slots tournaments. That's a risk-free offer, it's a good offer, and it's daily. But anything like that, and like Ladbrokes Casino there, any accounts which are big sports bookmaker accounts that you will be able to make a lot of money on with, say, horse racing offers, you don't want to touch the casino part of their website. You just want to stick to betting on horse racing, in my opinion. Once you start mixing in, like you're doing horse racing, and then say you did a bit of football, match betting, and then you start doing the casino side as well, that really is going to heavily increase your chances of getting gubbed. So although, and there's another example, William Hill, Vegas. So although there at the top it says 283, possibly, that would be a bit less, but I still stand on that £500 profit in your first month. But just be a bit careful when it comes to using the sports sites there. Next, we're going to load up the expected value calculator here then. And it is, as it says, it's an estimated, or they call it estimated value calculator. I call it expected, but EV calculator for short. And it is super, super simple to use this. So you literally just select whether it's a free spin offer or a bonus money offer. Then you fill out, so say for example, our offer is you need to wager, so let's put £10 in there to get, say, 30 free spins worth 20p each. Now, the return to player, RTP there, for the most common game that you're going to play on casino is Starburst. The return to player is 96.1% for that. So we've put in there, we're going to wager £10 and the return to player, and then the free spins, as we've said, are 30 spins worth 20p each. And again, we're going to use Starburst there for the free spin, so 96.1. Now, wager winnings, if it says money, so winnings paid as cash, you would just leave that as 0 there. And we can see from that, your expected value from that would be £5.38. Now, if you saw that it said must wager winnings, a lot of the times it says 35 times is a very common number. You can see that it's gone from £5.38 potential profit to minus £2.49. And that's kind of why it's very important to pay very close attention to how much wagering is required on any winnings that you take. On from that, I'll go ahead and load up the casino slots database here. And this is a really, really good thing here on OddsMonkey. So you can type in, so search slot, you can put in, so we'll put in Starburst and press refresh there. And there you go. It's brought up Starburst as the second one there. So the standard game there, Starburst without those other things. There's a couple of other different versions. But as I said, it's 96.1% return to player. And then it's also going to tell you the variance. So the variance on that game is low. And then it even tells you the maker of that slot game. Now, variance, really quickly to explain that, is, again, as it sounds, if you have a low variance game, you're just going to notice that you'll slowly lose your money when wagering your own £10, and then you'll slowly lose any free bonus money that you get. Obviously, when I say lose money there, you will get, so out of £10 that you wager, you'll get, on average, £9.61 back from every £10 that you wager, because it's 96.1 return to player. Now, if you have free spins worth £6, like our 30 spins worth 20p each, that's why you get that, so 96.1% back of that £6 worth of spins. Now, you will notice on a low variance game that will be very reliable going forward. But if you're doing your wagering and free spins on a high variance game, you'll notice that the wins and losses will be all over the place because of that high variance. So you might do one offer where you've won like, 50 quid, way over the expected value, and then the next one you'll just lose all your money. So I tend to stick to those low variance games to just give you a nice even amount of profit as you work through the offers. Feel free to check out that slots database though and search any game that you think you might want to use for the wagering or free spins. Starburst is the one I recommend unless you can use a game called Bloodsuckers 2, which that has a 98% return to player. It isn't allowed on some of the casino sites though for wagering because of how good that return to player is though. Next, after that, we'll load up the casino training guides here, and I'll show you just a general overlook. So it says general, so there's a casino guide, and you've got here how to decide if a casino offer is worth doing, making the most of slot offers and why you should do them. It also talks here about know your customer, so verification on casino sites, responsible gambling, how to play slot machines, and then there's like a blackjack roulette guide and what are golden chips explanation there. And then at the bottom there, just how to use the profit tracker to input your casino profits separate to your sports profits. And there's even a video on that guide as well. So well worth checking out all of these casino training guides. And then finally, and if you are still watching at this point, then congratulations, you're definitely going to be making a lot of money from casino offers, because I know sometimes I can draw these videos out a bit. But if you have the patience to watch this video to the end, then you probably will have the patience to do casino offers and get on with them really well. But simulator then here is the last thing that we're going to go through. And as I said, it's just a more advanced version of the expected value calculator. So you can literally just fill out what the kind of offer is. So free spins there. You can put in the game type and put in slots. And then so you put low risk if it was Starburst, 96.1. And then again, wagering £10, and so yeah, max winnings, no limit to the max winnings. And then we'll just use the same example as before, so 30 free spins at 20p each with 0 wagering. And then we can just go ahead and press, so actually on stake amount, 20 pence. And we're going to run this, so we're going to actually do 100,000 loops of this. So it's how many times the software will simulate the offer. So this should come out, if it works the same as the expected value calculator, this should say £5.38. So I'll just press start there. It's working its way through, and there you go, £5.36. So it was literally 2 pence off the EV calculator, pretty much exactly the same. But I think that's a cool thing there, because it shows you you've wagered 16 quid total, including the free spins. You are making a cash per hour rate of £80.40, and then it's also shown you there the time it takes of 4 minutes. And as well the bust rate of 0%, which is great. We don't want any bust rates. Bust rates meaning the chances of you losing all your money. 0.00% is like, you're basically never going to lose all your money on that kind of offer. But you can add another 0 there and actually run the simulation even more times. And let's just see what sort of result we're going to get from that. It's taken a while there to load, so I'll just chop the video now and you'll see what the result's going to be. And it's nearly finished, so yeah, exactly the same there, £5.36. So no matter if you run that simulation 100,000 times there on loop or 1,000,000 times, you're going to get that same result. So really 100,000 times is all that's needed. If you've had any value from this video, I do appreciate you taking the time to press the like button. I'll leave some links around me now for other videos here on the channel. And as usual, until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.